We are going backpacking on South Manitou Island. I'm at Leland, Michigan, waiting for some friends to board the boat to go to the island, 22 miles offshore in Lake Michigan. And I've got a bunch of the gear ready here.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Ranger Jeff, welcome to South Manitou Island. I'm hoping that's where y'all plan on being.
This is video, dude.
This bug spray.
You don't want to say anything.
Dad, all I need is bug spray.
No, get a shirt on.
Mostly we just want to conserve waters like,
But if you want to just put it on, I have enough for everybody to have like 3 things.
alright,
Ricky. Yeah. Is there anything you want me to carry? Really? Ricky! What's up? Okay, you ready?
We are going to the sand dunes today. Yeah.
We've been 1 day without food.
we've been at least 30 minutes without food now. You know, we're
all gonna die.
trying.
I got bug spray in my mouth. Dad, what?
Lift, rock, lift.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Bringing up the rear. George Hutzler's Rosenrye won first prize at the Chicago International Livestock Exposition.
I already read that.
Because prevailing winds isolated South Manitou from mainland pollens, it was a good location to grow hybrid crops to produce certified seeds used by farmers throughout the Midwest. Islanders. Yeah, check out this the cover of the stove there. Look at the detail, yeah. Small tractor. Small children. What is that? U-joint right here. Cool. Is this like the front?
Yeah. Adventure Bob and Company on the sand dunes on South Manitou Island. in Lake Michigan, and I'm hiking back from the western shore where Lake Michigan is and back across the sand dunes. I've made it. I'm heading down into the woods where those hungry mosquitoes are, and I've got about a 2-mile hike in the deep woods back to camp, which is near the eastern shore of South Manitou Island. Yeah, I'm going this way. You're gonna be famous. You know, 3 billion people can see my YouTube channel.
Wow, that's a lot.
They don't. About 14 watch it.
There are a lot of potatoes in here.
Yes, sir. We got a lot of hungry guys.
Alright. So, you started with low expectations, but did you like that thing?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
These are weird.
What is it?
It's a donut stick. It's a donut that's not in a circle.
Okay.
Did you get that on camera?
No. You gotta say it again, man. Take 2.
If I drink milk before bed, like I wake up in the morning and I'm just roasting my chonies.
And Megan allows that?
No, she doesn't allow it. I just do it, and then I end up having to sleep. What we can probably do is, after this batch gets done, we could probably serve up.
We're on South Manitou Island, and we are going to do our rendition of the famous hobo dinner
And
that
I'm cooking a carrot on a stick.
that the Boy Scouts made famous 50 years ago. It has meat, potatoes, carrots, onions. We are adding brown gravy mix, which is our own idea. And I got some butter from McDonald's before coming out to the island. Brown gravy mix. About half a mix. Well, the whole thing.
What the heck?
He'll cancel.
No, he won't cancel, but he knows students who are going to take it seriously. And he won't.
Charge that card real quick. Thank you. Take it out.
I'll donate my spoon for the time being.
Cool, thanks.
That's what the hobo dinner looks like before you char it to crisp. Alright, this meal is ready to put on the fire. This is a hobo dinner par excellence. This is going to be great. Hey!
Dang! What'd you say?
We're gonna need more.
Hold on. Ah, yeah. In the middle of the storm.
Number 3, Tony.
Wait, Colin.
I just want somebody to
Yeah,
say, I'm gonna put 11 on fire.
13 hobo dinners are on the fire.
Time to turn them over.
Move that stick behind you.
I don't know, dude. Everybody wants to like this.
Good.
No, but the meat was the same thing.
Oh,
Mine needs to go back in for sure.
does it?
Looking good.
Wood. That's how we do it.
So our hobo dinners were delicious. We just ran out of daylight, so I couldn't get any good images of them. But we cooked them for a half hour on the hot embers, 15 minutes, and then flipped them over. And wow, everybody was hungry from like hiking maybe 8 miles yesterday, and so that meal was a real blessing. Now we're hauling stuff back to the dock.
Represent 4503. The Michigan East Side till I die.
I don't want to be bait, so I ran.
Jeremiah, make sure you hold on to somebody. You might fire it off.
Stairs, sometimes people get dizzy. Always hang on to the handrail, one step at a time. If you get dizzy, stop and look at the white wall. I don't recommend looking up.
Well, it's technically actually 10.
On that ship, you get 25,000. That's what said the Lord.
583 tons? Are you kidding me?
580 tons of red. They're all
Adventure Rick,
Reggie Rick,
hold it off, man.
we made it. We didn't lose anybody,
Pickle Rick.
which is what I'm still hoping for on the way home. And then we're all gonna get a nap on the way home, me including.